Hey everyone, we're here today at the Made4You.store website, and in this video we're going to show you how to place an order for a metal print simply and easily using our Made4You Design Studio. The first thing is you want to make sure when you're at our site, Made4You.store, that you are logged into your account. We have a separate video on that, but you'll see right here that I'm logged into my account. I'll go back to home. And now I have a nice landscape photo that I'd like to import, bring into the Design Studio, and order it. So I'm going to go to Metal Prints, click here on the down arrow, go over to 8 by 12 because I know that matches the size of my print. I have a few places that I can click on the same item here. One is right here, order 8 by 12 prints, or I could also click down here. It takes me into the same place. I'll say order 8 by 12 prints. That brings up the product. You can see here that I have a few options to select. First is the material base, which is indoor or outdoor material. I'll choose indoor. The material finish, which is white. The surface finish, I'll choose high gloss. It's important at this time that you need to know whether you will be doing a portrait or a landscape format. And I know that my print is a landscape, so I will do that now. This is important because the design canvas cannot be changed once you're in the Design Studio. We have lots of mounting options. I'm going to say no mounting for the moment. And then I'll click on Create Your Design. And that is going to take me into the Made4You Design Studio. You can see here I have some options. I can change the mounting options. I can actually change my material here. I can change indoor, outdoor, the base material, the surface finish, but what I cannot do is change between landscape and portrait. I'm committed to that format once I'm in the Design Studio. I know I want to bring in a photo, so I'll click on Photo. I'm going to bring this photo in from my Windows File Explorer. I will say, yes, I have the rights to use my image. And off to the side, you can't see it. I have a folder open. I will click and drag an image and bring it right in here and drop it. That's going to start the uploading of the image. And here it is. I think it's good practice to save your image in our album structure. So I've created an album previously. You can see here I have family photos and landscape photos. And what I'll do here is I'll click on the three dots and I'll say move to album, and I will put it in landscape photos. Now that's saved in my albums so that if I come back into the Design Studio later, I don't have to upload it again. To bring this image into the canvas, I'll simply click on it once with left mouse click, and it drops it and centers it into the page. Now I'm holding the left mouse button and dragging, and I can now take this picture and drag it wherever I like. To size the picture, I will click and hold on the left mouse button, in this case on the right corner of the image, and that is going to drag that image and make it larger. Now I will take it again, left mouse click and drag, place it into the upper corner, and fill my screen with it. If I want to crop in closer, I can drag it even larger and zoom in. I'll leave it right there. I'll click off the image. That sets it on the page. And now I will go over to Add to Cart. I can review my options here, everything I've selected. I have reviewed and confirm artwork details with price and proceed. That places the item in my cart, and I can head off to checkout. A really nice feature, if you have an item in your cart and you decide that you want to change it, you can click back on Edit Design, and that will take you back into the design. That took a few seconds, and now I have my design back in the Design Studio, It's also good practice to save your design. So I'm going to go up here, click on Save, and call it Waterfall Landscape. And I like to put in the image size. There you go. Save it. Design saved successfully. And you can see here, if you come up My Designs, you have designs here that you can pull in and bring back in later. So those are two good practices. That was a very brief start to getting used to the Made4You Design Studio. I hope that was helpful, and we'll see you on the next video.